In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Instagram not loading problem. If you're facing this issue, then the first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. You want to switch to another network. So if you have been using Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data. If you have been using mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi and check. To refresh the network, you want to turn on the flight mode. Make sure that you wait for at least 15 seconds. Then you want to turn that off. This should refresh the network. Now open Instagram and check if your issue is fixed. If it is not fixed, then you want to update the app. For that, head over to Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the search bar and here you want to type Instagram. Now, find the option of update, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. Next, you want to tap and hold on the Instagram app, then tap on this app info icon, which should take you to settings. Here, scroll down and tap on storage. Now tap on clear cache. Once that is done, head back and tap on force stop. Then tap on OK. Once that is done, launch open Instagram and check if your issue is fixed. If your issue is still not resolved, then it might be a server issue. To check, you want to open up any web browser. Now you want to search Instagram server over here, then head over to any reliable website such as Down Detector. Here you want to check if there is a server outage. If there is, you want to wait for a couple of hours until this issue is fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.